How to invite collaborators on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can invite collaborators to your Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you would like to invite collaborators to your Instagram account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here, and once you launch the Instagram app you will see this type of interface where what you can do is to simply just tap on the plus icon from the bottom, go on about actually logging into a certain post that you have, and when you go on about posting here something and you would like to invite collaborators, right here you'll find the option called tag people. So when you go to tag people, you can tag people or you invite collaborator, you'll find invite collaborator option here, which you can then use to invite it, and then just tap the invite option to invite collaborators. This way you should be able to invite collaborators on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.